Fresh. This is Spectator. Today, we took the first steps toward humanity's liberation from the paperless plutocracy. Thanks to you, tens of thousands of banknotes have been saved from destruction and returned to a world where money belongs to people, not systems. The evidence you delivered has exposed the government's project, Digital Era, Global Control. Its publication echoed like thunder, heralding the storm of the people armed to the truth. You have fulfilled your mission and repaid your debt in full. You are free once again. The choice is now yours. If you wish to continue working for Black Lotus, simply remain at your post. We always value those who dare to change the world. But if you prefer to walk away, to leave the game, to disappear, no one will judge you. You have done enough. Welcome to a new world. With respect, Spectator, head of the international corporation Black Lotus.
You surprise me, darling. I've always liked people who play by the rules. Predictable, convenient, easily controlled. I like them as objects, tools. But those I really respect are the ones who break the rules. I knew I had you, Fresh, but I had you all wrong. While everyone was trying to tell you which path to walk down, you made one for yourself. Now, it might be that you were just too much of a coward to choose, but I don't believe that. No. I raised you better than that, didn't I? So what now, Mr. Fresh? Will you wander through infinity, searching for new answers? Or will you come back to the game? You surprise me, darling. I've always liked people who play by the rules.